Hi guys, so today I want to talk about Good Vibes Argan range, which includes a great range of products. So as we all know, Argan is extremely nourishing and deeply moisturizing for your skin. It's supposed to be so caring and kind to your skin that it takes care of all the skin types in the best way possible. So I've already cleansed my face using a cleanser, and now we start off with Argan Nourishing Face Scrub. It smells amazing. That's the texture of it. Scrubbing unclogs the pores, deeply exfoliates, removes grime dirts and impurities. It prevents blackheads from reoccurring and makes your skin soft and supple. Massage your face gently before rinsing it thoroughly. My skin feels so smooth and refreshed. After all the dirt that was weighing me down, I feel so much lighter. So now let's go on to Argan Softening Face Mask. I love the texture of it. Face mask nourishes your skin. It fulfills all your skin's desire. Argan Face Mask is kind and caring for your skin. Allow it to dry for 10 to 15 minutes, then gently rinse it off. My face sure feels great. Now let's hydrate it a little by using the face toner. It helps in keeping the pores unclogged. My skin really feels refreshed and hydrated. Toner has extremely hydrating effects for dry skin. It also reduces the appearance of enlarged pores. So now, to lock all the moisture in, we use the face cream. It deeply moisturizes dry and flaky skin, as well as it goes with oily skin types, as it does not clog pores or lead to excess oil production on the face.